Hi, my dear students. This is Yarlagadda, your English faculty, a word expert and a multiple world records holder. All the topics being released through this channel are much useful to the students from upper primary level to the PG level. So, don't miss these topics. Since it is a new approach to take the content to the students, it will take some time to the students to understand, to adapt, and to habituate, right? Hi students, welcome to episode number 8. This episode is titled as Propelik. Tagline: The longest sentence. For comprehensive understanding of this topic, Propelik sentence, you have to know the definition for the Propelik sentence. A Propelik sentence is a sentence wherein each word consists of one letter more than the letters of the previous word used in the sentence. That means, in Rapalic sentence, the first word consists of one letter, the second word consists of two letters, the third word consists of three letters. The number of letters of the last word depends upon by the serial number of the last word in the sentence. Now you are going to enjoy the three longest Rapalic sentences in the world. In each sentence, there are 21 words. That means the last word of each sentence consists of 21 letters. The previous longest Rapalic sentence consists of 20 words only. That means the last word of that sentence consists of only 20 letters. Why late? Okay, let us enjoy the present topic. Go ahead. Now you are watching a huge colorful triangle on the screen. This triangle is made of 231 cubes arranged in ascending order into 21 rows from top to bottom. Only three faces of each cube are visible. Those three faces of each cube are covered with three different colors: red, green, yellow. Some English letters are written on all three faces of all cubes in the triangle. The letters are nothing but three different sentences. There are 21 words in each sentence. The 21 words of first sentence are written on red surfaces of all cubes arranged in 21 rows from top to bottom. You can find that sentence if you start reading the words written on red faces of 21 rows in ascending order from top to bottom of the triangle. The 21 words of second sentence are written on yellow faces of cubes arranged in 21 rows in the triangle. You can find that sentence if you start reading the words written on yellow faces of 21 rows in ascending order from left corner to the right of the triangle. The 21 words of third sentence are written on green faces of cubes arranged in 21 rows in the triangle. You can find that sentence if you start reading the words written on green faces of 21 rows in ascending order from right corner to left of the triangle. There are 21 words in each sentence of these three sentences. I is the first word for the three sentences. Comprehensibilities is the last word for the first sentence. Establishmentarianism is the last word for second sentence. Counter measure is the last word for third sentence. Thus, the three sentences are completed. These three sentences are world longest rhophalic sentences. For better understanding of the three sentences, the page furnished with these three separate sentences written in normal style is herewith attached. It is time for this week trivia and this week question. Okay, let us go and enjoy the trivia and the question. Okay, students, let us say goodbye to this present topic. I will be back in the next episode with a variety and an amazing topic. Till then, enjoy with the wonders of the word and beauty of these sentences. By the way, there is a copyrighted content in this topic. Permission is required to make use of it. Bye.